Looking to save on items for the home or clothing for the whole family from Kohl's? You've come to the right place. On the Offers.com Kohl's coupon codes and promo codes page, you can find great deals on the products you love. It's easy to apply a coupon or coupon code to a purchase on Kohls.com. Simply find the offer that best matches what you are looking for, click on the Savings button, and a pop-up will appear. Your savings may be automatically applied at checkout, or you will be provided with the coupon code needed to save. To copy your coupon code over to the site, simply click the Copy button on the pop-up, add your items to your cart, head to checkout, and then look for the promo codes box and paste in the code. Click Apply and see the savings. It's quick, easy, and you just saved money. And remember, all the offers are verified, rated, and updated daily by our awesome Offers.com team, so you never have to worry about them not working when you go to make a purchase. Save money every time you shop online with the best deals, coupons, and sales by heading to Offers.com.